Today, market opened gap up with 400 plus points, and I informed during the pre-market open that it will tag 38,573 for the Nifty spot, Bank Nifty spot. That is 100 points profit to be booked. As expected, market did tag my target. That's a good news for the retail traders and a very good opening as well. This has been mentioned around 9:10 or 9:12 in the Telegram group. Hello viewers, I'm Ramesh and today it's 1st February 2022 and today is a budget day. As you can see in the screen, we made a very good points. In Bank Nifty future, we made 200 plus points and option trading, we made 300 plus points. Yes, in two strikes, we made 300 plus points. That's a superb opening. All right, so let me take you to the market profile. As you can see the market, the Nifty did a gap up opening, okay, which also gave a very good opening or a pullback, pull up for the Bank Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, this is red line here. This is called as a point of control. It already touched and it opened, which means that is one of the confirmation for a trader that market has all odds to go on top because the delta volume was really good. So that's when we were focusing only on C today, and we were able to make 300 plus points only on the option buy side. Bonus tip for the day. So Nifty indices is at the strong resistance. 17,595 is a strong resistance. Once it breaks the resistance, you can go for buy. The target would be 17,637 and 17,680. I repeat, 17,637 and 17,680. Go for buy only on today's high. Otherwise, market will rotate. You can expect market to go little more down. Okay, and coming to Nifty future. Again, Nifty future is at the resistance that is 17,608 is a strong resistance. Once it breaks with a good number of volume, the target would be 17,637 and 17,661. Okay, so the target would be 17,637 and 17,661 would be the two targets. Go only on the buy side if it breaks today's resistance. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe for the channel and do join the Telegram group for free trades with proper entry and stop loss. It's totally free, guys. If there are any good trade, we'll update in the Telegram channel. Stay connected. Bye for now. Happy trading, happy money.